6 months ago, I deployed 50k of my own money into a system that I built. Today, that account is sitting at $65,783. That's 15k in profit, and here's the part that matters. I didn't place a single trade, not one. I spent probably 20 minutes looking at the system per month, and then I didn't pull the trigger on a single buy or sell order. Everything was done fully hands off. The system did all of it, and in this video, I'm going to show you the actual account, the good months and the bad ones. Then I'm going to walk you through how the system works and how it actually makes money, and what most operators, founders, or business owners trying to trade their own capital are losing. That being said, let's get started. So to give you some context, I have been building this system for over 6 years now and have over 300 clients running it on their own capital. So everything that I'm about to walk you through is what's working in my account and what's also working for my client's account. By the way, if you're a founder, business owner, entrepreneur sitting with an account that is not doing as much as it could be doing, this video is for you. Most operators try to trade their own capital at some point, and almost all of them lose money. There are two primary reasons for that. The first one is time. You're running a business, you're in meetings, you're with family, you're traveling. The market doesn't care, it moves 24 hours a day. The best entries and exits almost always happen when you're somewhere else, and you probably relate to that. I had a client recently, smart guy. He told me on the call he would watch a position go from plus $30 to minus $40 overnight just because he was busy with work and couldn't get out in time. That's not a trading problem, that's a time problem. He wasn't bad at picking the trade, he just didn't have hours to babysit it. The second one is emotion. When you do have the time, you make worse decisions because it's your own money. You panic sell when it dips, you buy more after a big run up because you don't want to miss out. You hold losers too long because you don't want to admit you were wrong, and every founder or business owner I work with has done all three, including myself. So if you keep trying to do this yourself, you really have two outcomes. Either you have the time and you make emotional decisions, or you don't have the time and you miss the moves entirely. Either way, you lose. The numbers I just showed you, the 15k over 6 months, that doesn't happen if I'm sitting at the screen trying to make those calls myself. It happens because I'm not looking at the screen and I'm not making any decision. Think of your capital like a rental property. You own it, you don't manage it. You hire a property manager. The property manager handles the tenants, the repairs, the rent collection. Every month you get a check. Some of that check goes into your pocket, some of it goes back into the property to make it more valuable. That's exactly what my system does with your capital. You own the account, you own the funds, they sit in your own exchange the entire time. My system trades them 24 hours a day using a strategy that I have spent over 6 years building it and refining it. You don't need to pick coins, you don't need to watch the charts, you don't decide when to enter or exit, you don't do anything. Every dollar of profit the system generates gets split into two buckets. One bucket is the income, the money hits your pocket every month as cash flow. The other bucket is the reinvestment. The money goes back into the account to grow the position automatically. You decide the split. For example, I run a 40% cash flow and 60% reinvestment. So out of that 15k I just showed you, 7,163 hit my account as cash and 10,745 got reinvested back into the system. You can change the split at any time. If you want everything as income, done, 100% cash flow. Want everything as reinvestment, 100% reinvestment. That's the whole system. Capital deployed, profits split, account grows, you don't touch it. Now, before I get into the breakdown of how my account has been doing for the last 6 months and give you all of the details, first let me share with you how it actually makes money. Because the reality is that most people think that trading is about prediction, is trying to figure out what is the best time to get in and what is the best time to sell. And maybe that works if you don't have a full-time job or if you're not running a company. But if you're very busy, that is extremely hard to make it happen. You need to have a ton of confirmations, you need to have a bunch of time, and you need to pretty much be glued to your screen, and you probably have already experienced that. Instead, there is a way on how you can use the only thing that is guaranteed to happen in the market, which is the volatility and the price action. In fact, instead of stressing out about where should I buy, where should I sell, well, what if there would be a system that it buys automatically when it goes down, and as soon as it goes slightly up, it places sell orders. The system itself is called the Gridbot system. It's nothing crazy, but it works extremely well when it's trading in a market as volatile as crypto. So for instance, just showing you Bitcoin over the last year, you can see that Bitcoin has gone through multiple ups and multiple downs consistently. And fair enough, if you were holding Bitcoin and you don't look at it for the next 5 years, you might be in a profit most likely. But realistically, most people want to have a monthly income, daily profits, and also grow their account without having to worry when to buy and when to sell crypto. So that is how the system is designed, where you don't have to worry about prices going down, you don't have to worry about when to sell, because all of that is handled by the system alone. So it places buy orders when the market goes down, like this right here, as we went down from 80,000 to 78,000, and then as soon as it recovers, if in this instance in Bitcoin from 78,000 to 79,000, it places sell orders. As I mentioned earlier, the profit the bot makes gets split into cash flow and reinvestment. That is how the system works. You only need to have the right asset, right cryptocurrency with a great foundation and solid volatility, and you also need to have the right software, which in that case, that's where we come in. That being said, let me actually share with you the breakdown of my account in the last 6 months. I'm super excited to share this with you. So as you can see, my split is 40% cash flow and 60% reinvestment. It means that in every profit I make, for every $1 I make, 40 cents are secure as my monthly income and 60 cents are reinvested back into the system. Now, obviously I don't make $1 per trade, but that is the idea behind it. So obviously over time, I will be reinvesting the profits back to the bot, but over time, my cash flow will keep increasing as well. I started with 50K and my overall account is 65,000, which is $7,163 I can withdraw at any point whatsoever, and I'm still gonna be in a good position because the system will continue to trade. I don't have to shut down the bot, and I can just let the system run and withdraw these at any time I want. In unrealized P&L, I'm up 31%, which is 15K, and as May, I'm up 1.2%, so a bit of a slow month. In April, I hit a 6.7%. March was a negative 1.5%. In February, we had a positive 10.8%. January, negative 2.1%. December 8.4%, and November 5.2%. I can also show you the cash flow versus reinvestment activity, so you can see what is the cash flow accumulated over time and how much it has also been reinvested back into the system. So yeah guys, I hope this video is valuable for you. If you want me and my team to install all of these for you, where we can define your split, the cash flow versus reinvestment ratio, and get everything fully set up and running, there is a link down below. You can book a call. If the system does make sense for you, then we can walk you through the next steps. If not, then at least you learn how it works, and we will also give you some advice on your trading. That being said guys, I hope this video is valuable for you. That's really what it all comes down to. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.